Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday morning. We just woke up. Actually, I was just lying down in the bed. I woke up around 8 o'clock or something, or 7:30, and then I was so lazy to leave the bed, so I was just lying down. And it's 9:15 right now. I'm gonna feed Marvel, take him for a walk. I woke up and I already feel tired. Oh my god. But if you guys haven't seen our previous vlog, do watch it because we made pitla bhakri and it was the first time I had it and it tasted so good. Because we made it for the first time, we kind of didn't get the idea of the ratio and we made too much instead of just for the two of us, so that's why it took a little longer. But I think if you make it in proper ratio, just a little bit for two people, then it won't be taking that long. But anyways, it's a beautiful day outside. We plan on getting jalebi today from one of the Indian stores. They make fresh on Saturday and Sunday, but let's see. We're gonna call them before we go. And I don't know what the day has for us because we already did our grocery shopping and all this stuff yesterday. So I think it's gonna be like a chill day. I'll stay. Okay, good boy. Back home. It's 6 o'clock in the evening and I changed back to my night suit again because I was so tired, and we're just feeding Marvel. We got fresh jalebi like I said in the morning. We're gonna go and get it, so let me show you the fresh jalebi. I love more jalebi with some plain cold yogurt. That is like my favorite combination. It's helping me cook dinner. And for dinner we're making the stir-fried Maggi again because it came out so delicious the other day. So we both were craving. I was actually craving for it, so he just caved in with me. And then but this time, so basically last time everything was delicious. It's just that the noodles were a little bit sticky. I won't say too much sticky, very little bit.
I mean, I think it will be that much sticky.
Yeah, so even though I boil it just for like 2.5-3 minutes, what the packet says. So this time boiling the noodles is Mayank's duty. I'm just gonna quickly make the vegetable, and Mayank is gonna...
I'm taking in charge. I'm making the Maggi.
Yes. Oh yeah. No. So basically every time Mayank cooks, the kitchen is very dirty. Not the whole kitchen, but the gas stove. And then
during cooking.
During cooking.
When I am done.
Yeah, not when he's done, like during cooking. But he says it always happens because I feel pressurized because you're in the kitchen. It's not true. I was in the bathroom just now and I came back and I saw the gas stove is so dirty.
I mean, at the end of the day, before we close the kitchen, we clean it up.
I thought it's all oil for a second.
It's lemon.
Okay, so veggies are cooking here, and we're gonna boil the Maggi there. So the way that like the method we're trying today to make the noodles, if it comes out good, I'm sure it'll come out good. I'm definitely gonna shoot a recipe video for this.
It'll be good.
Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna shoot a recipe video. But yeah, also we are very excited because next week we are going for our baby moon. We have been because of COVID and Delta variant and everything, we have been really skeptical about going, but we found something very cool, which is very safe.
Now we are fully vaccinated
and also because we are fully vaccinated.
And we are not going to stay in a hotel.
Yeah, that's why I said that we found something very cool, which is absolutely safe. So we are going there. I will share the details with you in some days because there's still a week.
Next week we are going.
Yeah, next week we are going, so we'll share the details with you. But yeah, it's going to be me, Mayank, and Marvel. We're not leaving Marvel alone. Marvel is tagging along with us. So yeah, it's going to be a fun trip. The noodles came out pretty good. They look good now. So I think, yes, Mama. So I think we are ready to shoot the video. Yes, you're gonna enjoy it there. Alrighty guys, I took bath and I am ready for bed. It has been a very good day actually, and Maggie was super delicious but kind of felt uncomfortable after eating it, so I think we're gonna take break from Maggie and not eat it for quite a long time. But anyways, so you guys can see how big it's getting, so very excited. And in another 2 days I'm gonna be 30 weeks, so yeah, 10 more weeks and then we're gonna see the baby. With this, I'm gonna end this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye.